Now that your business is set up, part 2 gets into preparing for the wedding day. Here, I guide you through 3 main aspects. That would be understanding and managing the all-important timeline. From your first meeting with the couple to the last photo on the dance floor, we discuss building a timeline that captures every moment important to your client. You will leave this section knowing how to keep everything on track. Capturing the day's most important moments. We explore essential shooting tips for the ceremony, portraits, and reception. You'll learn how to make couples comfortable in front of the camera and adapt to lighting challenges as they arise. Creating a workflow for efficiency with tips on organizing and backing up files, making your selections for a sneak peek blog. This workflow keeps you efficient and lets you prepare for clients in terms of the upselling. In part 2, you gain the confidence to handle each aspect of the wedding day with calm and professionalism, setting the stage for delighted clients and strong referrals.